Get excited about the 2013 BMW 328i xDrive. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.